Hello, today we're introducing you to AutoDraft AI. We make AI-powered animation tools. AutoDraft AI provides tools like AI background generation, AI character generation, AI video generation, AI voiceover and cloning, AI sound effects, AI thumbnails, and more. When combined with our powerful animation tool with hundreds of characters and thousands of animations, these features help you create world-class animations right on your phone. Every day, thousands of creators use AutoDraft to make amazing animations on their phones without any prior animation experience. Users can select any character from our library and apply animations with just one click. Add lip syncing, change expressions, and attach props instantly. You can customize characters or create brand new ones with our AI character generator. All generated characters come pre-rigged, so you can immediately apply animations to them. Generate perfect backgrounds for your animation videos in a consistent style with our AI background generator. AutoDraft also offers AI voiceover and sound effects. Now you don't need to record your own audio, just type and the audio is generated for you. For creating dynamic audio experiences in your animations, you can also generate sound effects and use them to create immersive audio in your AutoDraft videos. Try AutoDraft AI today and start creating professional animations on your phone.